All right, today we're going to bring a shaver, and this shaver is very petite. If you guys can see it, it's probably one of the smallest ones I see. Very compact, easy to travel. It comes with this case. It has 5 blades. All right, now one of the best things I like about this that this thing has a little area where you actually can disconnect it, and there's magnets, 4 magnets right there. So you see this area with the magnets, that's what you got to find out automatically. So you start shaving. Now when you turn it on, it gives you the percentage here. All right, speeds: 1 speed, 2 speeds. That's pretty much it. Cleaning is a breeze. Look at that, because you have access to the blades in here. And if you want to ever replace the blades, you can. All you got to do is remove them. Here it says off and then on. All right, so if you're ever trying to replace the blades, easy. Now I'm going to compare this with another one so you guys can see the size of it. Now this is a pit bull, right? It doesn't have the blades right now, but look at the size of it compared to it, all right? Now this, you could hang it on easily. You could shave under your face. This is pretty much for bald guys just like me. This one, it has a grip, but you could grip it different ways, but this is actually easier. Like a palm, that's pretty much it. And you move around. All right, one very important thing I forgot to mention, that this has a Type-C charging station. It does come with a cable. So we're going to use this today, see how well it works. All right, this is before. I'm going to trim this down with another trimmer. And a lot of hair is growing here, so I let it grow a little bit just for this occasion. So let's go ahead and trim it down before and after. Before you start, this is very important, guys. I'm a professional bald guy. So what you need to do is wet your head, all right? And then you add your favorite gel, whatever it is that you're gonna put on. But that's very important prior to starting, right? So I did shave it, I did trim it down, but look at this. I'm gonna shave everything off. I want it nice and smooth like this. So all this has to go, you guys can see. So let's see how well it does, all right? So let's go ahead and add some water. First, remove as much as you can of excesses and then add some water, because you're gonna have to rinse this once in a while, right? So add some water in your base. Start the first round. Ooh. You can hear it doing a good job underneath around the ear. Oh yeah, this is working really well. All right, add some water. Rinse this off in the one. It's waterproof too, so you don't have to worry about getting this jam. All right, overall, it did a fabulous job all around. You guys can see in the top. I'll turn around so you guys can see some of the details. Very smooth. All it is to put some moisturizer, some aftershave. I'm still not done yet. I'm still gonna have to trim some of this down, but it did a fabulous job of trimming down, especially these parts right here. That's very difficult right here. This part, all this is like the hardest part right here. It did a great job. So all it is, make sure you clean it up. Put some base on the water and then just rinse it out slowly. Take out the cap, do the same thing. This is waterproof, so if you ever want to shower with it, you can too. So hope you guys enjoyed this video.